कंधों से मिलते हैं कंधे, कदमों से कदम मिलते हैं, हम चलते हैं जब ऐसे तो दिल दुश्मन के हिलते हैं। कंधों से मिलते हैं कंधे, कदमों से कदम मिलते हैं, हम चलते हैं जब ऐसे तो दिल दुश्मन के हिलते हैं।
अब तो हमें आगे बढ़ते हैं रहना, अब तो हमें साथी है बस इतना ही कहना।
अब तो हमें आगे बढ़ते हैं रहना, अब तो हमें साथी है बस इतना ही कहना।
अब जो भी हो शोला बन के पत्थर है पिघलाना, अब जो भी हो बादल बन के पर्वत पर है छाना।
कंधों से मिलते हैं कंधे, कदमों से कदम मिलते हैं, हम चलते हैं जब ऐसे तो दिल दुश्मन के हिलते हैं। कंधों से मिलते हैं कंधे, कदमों से कदम मिलते हैं, हम चलते हैं जब ऐसे तो दिल दुश्मन के हिलते हैं।
निकले हैं मैदान में हम जा हथेली पर लेकर, अब देखो दम लेंगे हम जाके अपनी मंजिल पर।
अब जो भी हो शोला बन के पत्थर है पिघलाना, अब जो भी हो बादल बन के पर्वत पर है छाना।
Good evening, everybody. On behalf of entire team of My Apple School, I, Ami Manyar, welcome one and all present here on the annual day of My Apple School. If there is one place on the face of this earth where all the dreams of living man have found a home, on the very earliest days when man began to dream of existence, it is India. Once again, welcome to Rubaru Bharat Ki Jhanki. We all have gathered here as an expression of our faith in the potential of India and its countrymen. We have all the resources we need, whether it be people, talent, natural bounty, or other assets. In the next 108 minutes, we all shall experience the reflection of our country. What really matters is how it leads you to your own reflection and your expression of faith towards India.
With this beautiful thought, let us mark the beginning of My Apple School Annual Day Rubaru with the traditional ceremony of lighting the lamp. I request the entire school team to please come on the stage along with Kirat sir and Stuti ma'am and light up the lamp of good luck, joy and success for My Apple School.
A child in India grows up with the idea that you have to make choices that will create a better future. Start by doing what's necessary, then do what's possible, and suddenly you are doing the impossible. Everything that happens to us is a reflection of who we are, and we are Indians. Our future depends on what we do in the present.
Our young Indians are all set to welcome each one of you with the Rubaru theme introduction.
आजादी जीने लगी निदर्गणिल लिए खुशी
ज़बां पे है भाषा मेरी
इन भाषायों मेरा निशान
वंदा देवू
मेरी जमीन
गुरूर में है जिंदगी
जो दे संगीत है हाँ दिल खिले दोस्ती चले वही गीत है.
We shine as bright as the sun with hearts of gold, we define divinity. We stand united as one when the rhythm of the beat combines the melodies. The pride from talking to you in my mother tongue never fails to elevate my soul. Together as one in peace we live by music, for that's a connective force.
If it is important to you, you will find a way. If not, you will find an excuse, is a thought endorsed and practiced by our principal, Stuti ma'am. Same thing goes true for the country. Every nation has struggled to achieve its goals. Generations have given their best to make life better for their offsprings. There is no alternative to effort, and yet we fail to follow the winning tracks. When we start realizing what is important and focus on our goals, results will begin to follow. With this food for thought, I call upon Stuti ma'am. Please come and give away the welcome speech.
Good evening, everybody. I heartily welcome all of you present here in the auditorium. I heartily also welcome all the dignitaries of Vadodara who have spared their valuable time for Rubaru. To mention a few, Mr. Kalhans Patel, sir, Mr. Kamal Pandya, Mr. Kishore C. Chauhan, sir, Mr. Maulin Vaishnav, and if I'm missing somebody, I heartily welcome Mr. Yogesh Raval, sir. Thank you, in spite of your ill health. I'm privileged to have you all today with us. I also take this opportunity to welcome all the parents of My Apple School children, family, friends, and all the little children in this auditorium. In this highly advanced virtual world of Facebook, WhatsApp, and Twitter, it feels great to meet Rubaru, right? Well, essentially because the true reflection of a person is only seen when you meet them in person. The idea behind today's theme, Rubaru, Bharat Ki Jhanki, is nothing. We are not going to show you how many states we have, what are the different dresses, what are the different staple diets. We are not here for that. We are here to throw a reflection on India. What is India? Its strength, its weakness, and its potential. Everyone is talking about how to develop India, what can we do to create a better India. To everyone's pleasant surprise, our sleeping nation has woken up. Our message to the planet, through the performances to follow, is just that everything that we do, any doctrine that we espouse, should be for the good of not only the country. Country, I believe, is a very narrow term, but the entire humankind. Like for an example, suppose I as an educationist has to follow this principle of doing better for the mankind. I want to be remembered as someone who created scientists, who put India on the scientific map of the world in terms of large innovations, or created doctors who created a difference in global healthcare, or created economists who made a difference in the socio-economic development of India. So to make this a reality, at the grassroots level, whatever I do has to be for the betterment of mankind and development of the country. Will soon follow. Without taking much of your time, I know you are all excited to see your children. I would only like to say that, believe me, the reality of a developed nation will become a part of your daily life. 20 years from now, we will meet again, Rubaru, to share the glory of success, and you all will agree to me that I was right in being so confident. Till that time, be there with us as we shape the future of India. Thank you very much and hope you enjoy yourself.
Thank you, ma'am. After such enlightening address, let us all lighten up, since today's theme talks about Rubaru, Bharat Ki Jhanki. Let us all go back to the days with which every Indian has spent their childhood. I'm sure after this performance, all of you will have some awesome memories to share with each other. Coming up now, our tiny tots of playgroup with Jungle Book song.
Please welcome the big round of applause as they face such huge audience for the first time in their life.
पहन के
Wonderful, children. It is rightly said that nobody knows the child better than his own parents. But in the school, where the teacher acts as a mother, if develops a constructive bond with the parents, the child can do wonders. This is only possible when the parents completely understand the philosophy of the school and have trust in it fully. Such parents are known as ideal parents. Every year, we identify such parents and give an award for ideal parents. To give away the award for ideal parents, I call upon on stage respected Mr. Maulin Vaishnav, a president of Sanskar Foundation. The award for Ideal Parents of the Year 2014 and 15 goes to Mr. and Mrs. Dikshit, parents of Tanush Dikshit of grade 1.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. It's a pleasure to be here on this fantabulous evening. We are truly honored and really happy to receive this award from the school. I thank the entire team of MyApple for bestowing us with this joy, with this happiness, and this honor. In fact, while I was sitting in the audience over there, I was just wondering